Hey, has somebody been feeding you? You are way too friendly. What's going on? Are you thirsty? You need some water? Maybe we should consider one of the hunting properties on the leasing site. Because the agriculture ones I was looking into it, a lot of times you need to have like a business plan.
What is up, good friends on YouTube? Today we're out here on Pierce Lake at that same cool little picnic spot we were at last time when we made those catfish videos. Try some bread, we catch a bluegill, we're gonna cut it up, use that, different things. So stay tuned and we'll have a fun adventure.
I'll use double 10 to draw one
I use double 10 and I use double ace. These are the two cards you just drew. I'll play 4.
I'll play 8.
I'll play ace.
My 8's just I only have one blue diamond.
Play a J of hearts.
Do we have diamonds?
I won that one. I play.
I want to reel it in. Can I reel it in?
Let's make sure it's hooked up first. Here.
Oh!
That's on bread right there. Oh yeah, nice kitty cat, John. Look at that. You're gonna have to give me the line a little bit here. There we go. Got it.
This thing weighs like 85 pounds.
The rod itself. Look at that, guys. Nice channel cat out here. Daytime. And we were using white bread with this guy. Made it a bunch of white bread. You saw what we did. And that's right in front of us, like less than 4 feet in front of us. So very cool. Very cool.
That duck just went out from its head sticking in the water.
Alright, so.
Ducky, ducky, ducky.
Alright guys, easy with the ducky talk. Alright, so we got him. That's a lot of times that's I like to get behind their fins. That's an easy way
That
to
is actually water chicken.
get them where you don't get poked. And now we got a circle hook here that we're undoing.
Fun fact, ducks are water chickens.
Ducks are water chickens. Alright, there we go.
Water chickens.
Beautiful catfish. And that came on white bread. Not even out here tossing bluegill yet. So that's great. There we go. And we are on to the next one. Alright guys, that's going to do it for us out here today. I hope we made that simple enough for you. How to catch a catfish on bread. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Do not ever underestimate white bread. Have a great night. Be sure to hit that like button. Send this video to a friend if they don't like fishing. Guarantee they will start. Again, appreciate the support, and we'll see you guys next time on another geofishing exclusive. Peace.